latest now on the push to ban artificial dyes from the foods on our grocery store shelves after RFK Jr. said the government would work with companies to phase out those dyes.
Now, one major food company is saying they're doing just that. NBC's Vicki Nguyen has the latest.
Iconic products like Kool-Aid and Jell-O poised for a new look.
Whoa, yeah!
As the push to ban artificial dyes in U.S. food products gains momentum. Industry giant Kraft Heinz pledging to totally remove artificial dyes from its products by 2027 and replace them with natural versions when possible. The company says nearly 90% of its products are already free of those dyes. Kraft Heinz getting on board after Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. said the government would phase out all artificial dyes from the food supply by the end of next year.
We're going to get rid of the dyes, and then one by one, we're going to get rid of every ingredient and additive in food that we can legally address.
Kennedy claiming those food colorings are associated with behavioral issues in children. The FDA has not established that link.
I don't think they're good for us, but how bad they are is really not clear. Still, if there's any question about it, they should be out of the food supply.
We just recently went dye-free in our household.
The FDA has already announced a ban on red dye number 3, citing a study that found tumors in rats that consumed a large amount of it. There's no known link to cancer in humans. A 2021 California report also found that artificial coloring was associated with hyperactivity in some children.
I have been slowly but surely trying to cut out dyes out of my kids' foods.
But since products like Kool-Aid and Jell-O still contain large quantities of sugar, no matter what color they are, we had to ask if the makeover is only surface deep.
Is it a small step in the right direction? Or what more should be done?
I see it as a small step in the direction of improving children's health. If we really want to improve children's health, the first thing we need to do is to put restrictions on marketing junk food to kids.